Hi friends, this is 5 Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme Narzo 10-year smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video on your phone Realme Narzo 10A. First of all, open camera on your phone and click on more button. Click on SLOMO option, slow motion option, and now start recording your video. I start recording this video. When recording your video, it be like a normal video. Stop the video and play the video now. Now video will be playing in slow motion. See the action here. In this way, you can easily take slow motion video on your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.